Don't you think so that sugar stocks is the new buzz of the stock market? Almost 2 months before, when it used to be the steel stock, where all the steel companies were attracting a lot of volumes, now we see those volumes shifting towards the sugar stocks. And I remember, I think 2 months back, I had recommended a company of the sugar, which is a sugar company, and that time it was priced at around 17 rupee, and that sugar company right now is at around 35. And from there till now, it still looks like that the sugar company have long way to go. So I am going to tell you about the same company that I recommended you 2 months back, and that is none other than the Rana Sugar. Rana Sugar was recommended 2 months back. Let me take you back to the same video. See, you can see that Rana Sugar was at 55 that time when I said कितना ऊपर और जाएगा राना शुगर एक और बढ़िया stock. So you can go and have a look at that video also, which was posted almost 2 months back. So now let's go to the latest fundamental of the company. So Rana Sugar right now, you can see in 1 month have already gained 74%. In 5 days, which is a week, it has gained around 17%, and today again it has gained around almost 5%. In last 6 months, it has given 446% return. Can you believe it? People say that people don't make money in stock market. I think people who know the art of picking the right spot and the right company, I think they make millions in the stock market. It's just that you should know the pulse of the market. And see, right now it is at 38. So from a return point of view, I think it has done an exceptional job. Now if we go to NSE website, you can see today again that the volume, so I'm talking about the trade volume, it is over 1 CR. So remember I said the volume have shifted from the steel sector to the sugar now and some other sector, but definitely towards the sugar sector. And we see that lot of huge volume are driving lot of push with a good amount of percentage there. 52 weeks high is 38.05 and it is right now at 38. 52 weeks low was only and only 4 rupees. So if somebody think that a penny stock cannot go as high as 38.40, here is the example in front of you. This was in on 30th July 2020 was only for 4 rupee. Nobody can beat this beat this kind of return. And when it doesn't have option trading, so there is no derivative, it is only available in cash. So if we go towards the result, what is actually driving this kind of investment towards this company? So if I will take you towards the fundamental of this company, so it has a market cap of around 579 crore with a book value of 23. So when I had recommended this stock, this was below its book value. Now it is above its book value, and price to book is around 1.59. So it is still not that expensive. And if I will show you its peer companies vis-a-vis the market cap, so it is the peer company. You can see that Rana Sugar. See, the Rana Sugar is at 37 rupee. Okay, and it has a market cap of around 578. Similar companies with the same market cap has 3 or 4 times the price of the stock. Though the stock price does not get calculated vis-a-vis the market cap, but there are a lot of other things. For example, how many shares the company has given in the market, what is the kind of profit it is generating. So Rana Sugar looks like quite a reasonable bet to go for. And if we talk about the promoter holding, promoter holds around 22%. Indian public mostly hold it, which is 64%. Returns we have already spoken about. Now I'm straight away going towards the results, and you will be amazed looking at the kind of performance this company has given over the last 1 year. So last March also, if you see, the revenues were more or less same, but see the profitability. 73 CR of net profit. In December quarter it was 20 CR. In September quarter it is 66 CR. In June last year it was a negative you can say net profit, but last year March was still reasonable. But what you can see is that sugar stock till 2020 known to be a seasonal business. But what has changed right now for sugar companies is that they have also started blending ethanol. So they have a second business which is kind of a sustained business that runs throughout the year, wherein sugar exports happens seasonally. That was the historical trend, but now for all the sugar companies there is a huge demand for sugar, lot of exports happening, lot of internal consumption happening, but at the same time government is also telling these companies to start focusing at the ethanol business. So that has changed the whole fundamental. So that kind of fundamental differences we are seeing in the sugar company. I'm also going to take your focus towards the RSI. So if you see RSI right now, RSI is at 86. It had gone to 90, but now it is at 82. And if you see the moving average, 20-day moving average is positioned above 50-day, which again tells you a bull trend in the chart. And see the volumes. See the kind of volumes this stock is attracting. It's a stock that you can stick to, and as we have seen that versus the peer companies, this stock has still long way to go, and the price that looks almost double from the last month numbers, I think this doubling of the price still doesn't justify that the kind of move that the sugar sector is looking at. So that's about it for this. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.